5 and 6 on the second die only. Means we'll consider this as say first and this as second. Okay. See, this is dice 2 and this is dice 1. So we want greater than 4 on dice 2. So it should be 5 and 6 on dice 2 only. On 1 it can be anything, right? So what are the possible outcomes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 12 outcomes, right? On dice 2. So probability is what? Required upon total. Required is what? 12. How many possible? 36 total, right? So 1 by 3 is the answer. Next, there are 100 cards in a bag on which numbers from 1 to 100 are written. A card is taken out from the bag at random. Find the probability that the number selected is divisible by 9 and is a perfect square. See here, problem is simple. 100 cards in a bag, 1 to 100 is written on them. It should be divisible by 9 and is a perfect square. So how many numbers are there such between 1 to 100? See here, there are 9. You just write the multiples of 9. 9, 18, 27, blah 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 up to 99, right? Then it should be a perfect square and divisible by 9. So 9 is a perfect square, 36 is a perfect square and 81 is a perfect square. Others are not a perfect square. So how many? 3. Okay. So what is the probability? 3 required upon total is what? 100. So 3 by 100 is the answer. Next, find the probability of getting 53 Fridays in a leap year. Okay. In a normal year, means not a leap year, how many Fridays or how many weeks are there? There are 52 weeks. So there are 52 Fridays. Okay. In a normal year. Now we want it in a leap year. What is a leap year? 1 day extra. Means what? February has 29 days. Okay. So in a leap year, total number of days 366. Okay. So 366 upon 7. We want weeks. So Friday, if you want a Friday, you want a week. Right. So 366 upon 7. So that is 364 plus 2 upon 7. Because to watch the videos further, kindly download Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.